With all the recent Cybertruck content that we've been creating, please don't think that for one moment we have forgotten about the true core of where T-Sportline started, and that is with the Model S. And today we have a 2018 Model S that we just finished fully customizing for a client. We did a great job with her signature edition. If you guys remember, VIN number 007 Model X Signature Edition. She loved it so much, when she picked it up, she left her 2018 Model S with us. And let me go through exactly what we did. First off, the car started off as white. This was a pearl white Model S that came to us, and she wanted a complete makeover, starting off with wrapping the complete exterior using 3M matte metallic black wrap. Something actually we've never done before. It's kind of new. I think it's a little bit nicer than the standard matte black. And it actually has like a little bit of like a metallic flake in it. It's really nice, very subtle, complete wrap makeover, as well as chrome delete. Getting rid of all the chrome trim that's normally around the windows, underneath the side mirrors, door handles, side camera housings. Those were all wrapped in satin black, and that's because she wanted to tie it in with her stock wheels, which are still satin black, and that's the way they came to us. Speaking about the wheels, a nice little subtle touch. Take a look at the brake calipers. They're actually red, but not the standard Tesla red like we've always done before. These are actually finished in a Rolls-Royce red. And the reason for that is, here's a little clue. We're gonna go inside and I'm gonna show you a complete Rolls-Royce red leather interior makeover tied in with the brake calipers. Check this out. This is absolutely a first for us and I love it. Usually when we do red, we'll do Bentley red leather. We've done Ferrari Rosso leather in the past. What do you guys think about this Rolls-Royce red leather? It's so much more softer, almost has a little bit of pink in it. And as you can see, we reupholstered the complete interior, starting with the headliner, which normally was a black fabric back then. Now it's all wrapped in Rolls-Royce leather hides. Stunning, very classy, very rich looking. And then the dash was reupholstered using two-tone Rolls-Royce black leather, and again, the red. And then as you can also see, the four doors have been completely reupholstered with our signature diamond quilt design on the inserts. The seats have been completely reupholstered as well, perforated inserts so that the ventilation cooling still works properly. And again, signature diamond quilting on the upper V-neck area. And that happens on all 5 seats. So even when you move to the back, you can see the quilting, you can see the perforation. The back of the seats have been reupholstered using leather as well. And that's a really nice touch because they're plastic in black vinyl to begin with. So now everything matches. We've got some fresh new floor mats, and then let's go back to something that I've spoken about plenty of times, and that is my favorite interior accessory, the selfish accessory for the driver. The steering wheel has been completely redone using the same matching ash wood decor that was on the dash is now on the upper and lower sections of the steering wheel. The 3 o'clock and the 9 o'clock positions have been reupholstered using the red leather, red stitching, ties it all in. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.